month since we last posted. We 1:20, 11:29.
So we're going now?
Yeah. Oh, we're not gonna wait 20 more minutes. Okay, so what are we doing today? We actually don't have a plan.
Yeah, we kind of don't have a plan.
We're just winging it and we're going wherever we want.
Wait, let's do our annual fidget. Even though we've only done once. Sweats from glasses. Extra luck. Shein. From Super.
Is that the one you wore last time?
Yes.
Bang, okay. Okay, my turn. Oh, it's coming in 1 minute. Okay, Mara. This is from Factory. This is from Factory or something. And then these are from JD. And then my necklace is from Shein. What do you think?
This is why I asked this question. She just.
Because you ask simple, stupid questions.
Maybe because you're a stupid person.
Maybe because you're an ugly person.
Leash. Did you just say that? Guys, if you watched our vlog last time, then you would know what happened on these escalators.
Go walk down, walk down, walk down, walk down. Walk down on the right side. Oh my God. I'm trying to hurry up. Because she doesn't understand the concept of being on the right side.
I was
if you're on the right side, you
insert
look
clip,
down.
insert clip.
She stood there. She was doing nothing. I meant because you were gonna fall. Okay, guys. Now we're going to Spencer's outlet.
Yeah, and we're trying to find a bin. We're going to New York.
Yeah, of course. Am I paying for your ticket?
Yes, of course.
That's why. So guys, now we're going into Spencer's outlet.
I always say that.
I thought it was like a store.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
It's an outlet.
Well, sorry, I don't know what a freaking outlet means.
Jewelry's for next week.
Do you want to buy us like, what, you want matching jewelry? Okay, so where are we right now?
We're in Colorado.
Woohoo!
Basically, we're just looking
Alina!
good Samaritan.
It was cold. You're too short.
Yeah. I'm literally taller than you.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Bro, shut up.
Right now, we are looking for a food place. Ava is like on, I think it's this way.
I'm on a sushi mission right now.
Yeah, we're on a sushi mission.
Sushi.
Yeah, and we saw someone with sushi, and I'm
nearby.
Yeah, it's nearby.
What would you do if like we were up there? Scream? Are you afraid? Are you afraid of heights?
No.
Okay. Stay tuned, guys, for the next vlog. It's gonna be really cool. Okay, so this is what I have so far. And then Alina is ordering. Yay! I don't know how to use these. I tried once and it wasn't good.
Yeah, so I got a banana milk and so random on a guru. Yeah, I could open this one. So Ava doesn't know how to do this, so
Thank you.
let's try. Is this sushi good?
Yeah, do you want the rest?
This is spicy chicken, and there was a picture of bulldog. So let's see how spicy this actually is. Oh, do you see the anime button?
Oh, I like it.
Can I have one raw tuna and one...
Got the hot dog. Cheese ball. No cheese ball. I would rate that place a 9 out of 10. Would
Nori in, don't know where this place is.
It's in an alleyway, but like just look on your
If you
maps.
Come, yeah.
It's next to Southern Cross Station.
Yeah, it's really close and it's really good. And it's like, you know how like sushi rolls are like freaking like $5 each now?
There's only $3 there.
Yeah, they were like the
No, everything was practically $3 there.
Yeah, it was like the original like prices that they used to be like
Yeah.
back in the day.
We are here. It was it. Huh? I almost slipped, Alina. We're wearing cotton on body because we tried to go do a photo booth, but it didn't work.
Yeah, we tried like 3 times. No, you know, basically we took 3 tries because all of them looked bad. And then when we tried to pay, it said to select option where there was no options to be selected. So
Yeah. Low-key, majority of these stores just Alina wants to go to, but I go anywhere she goes, so it's okay. If she wants to go to a store, I will always go with her, even if I don't want to go. But like, I do want to go. You know, I want to explore, and she's having fun, so I'm having fun. Okay, Alina's gonna watch this back later and she'll be like, ew, but like, I truly do love my best friend. Like, she's the reason I go to school every day. She just gets me, bro. She's me in a different body. Like, we love Alina. I promise you, y'all. Stop.
so it's a little bit more promising, but let's not do it.
Just tell me if you like us. Like, you know, tell me if you like something, cause then I'll just buy everything. Okay. I want to get like a top like this. Alina.
This is how it looks. Like that.
I don't know. Cause I want to get it for like church, but I also don't think. Sorry.
You try it?
No, but I don't think I'm gonna get it. It's a lot of money. Okay, so in the next clip, I was supposed to say, like, whisper that she was like, Alina was gonna give me her clothes, and then I was gonna go pay for it while she was still in the change rooms. Mission success. Mission success. No, I was talking to them about it.
Oh my gosh, she was pushing me, bro.
What did the workers say? What did the work?
Oh my gosh, what a nice friend. And I was just like, I'm gonna kill her like this.
Bro, you can tell by her laugh, she was like aggravated. We're trying to figure out where to go for boba.
How can we go behind? I don't think
I think it's inside, Lena.
I got from JJ's, which we weren't allowed to film it. I got this like New York City like jumper because I want to pair it with like light wash jeans or even like black pants. Supreme. I got, Ava, because she's so stubborn. Bro, we were really attacking each other in the store because I was trying to pay but she wouldn't let me. She got me this like, what is it called, like scoop? Riri scoop. Yeah, Riri scoop neck long sleeve. I got these track pants for $20. They were initially $40, but then Come on in.
I can't because the chair's already here. I tried moving it earlier, but I couldn't. Guys, so we are we in the right place? Okay. Oh my gosh, wait, can we make the TikTok?
What TikTok?
We're gonna go to Plaza and then go to Time Zone because we're beans. Okay, so we haven't found the boa place yet.
We haven't found the place. But we found the lolly place.
The sugar station.
Okay, so I got brown pearl sugar
tea.
Brown sugar milk tea, and then she got brown sugar pearl sundae. But we're gonna share.
We're gonna share both of them because I need something refreshing. That's good.
Now we're trying it. It's alright.
Does it taste like?
It tastes good. It's just
Very milky. Okay guys, so we're going to Alina, stop. So we're going to our V line now because we're gonna go back to my station and then we're gonna go Plaza. So we don't want to go time. Are you tapping off?
yeah.
I'm not even, I don't care. Actually, thank you. Where the fuck am I going to go? I just lost Alina in the house. She just came up to me, she's like, I really needed this. You literally sent me the TikTok. My forehead.
Pretty girls, pretty mama.
We made it to the.
My lips are so dry.
Did I get lip balm while I wear there?
Oh yeah, I actually need the balm. I lost mine.
Same. Okay. We're at Plaza. We're about to get robbed.
Don't say that. So we just came back from the toilet and
Boy, you don't need to tell people. You just go back.
we came back from
Italy.
Italy, and I picked up an accent.
You don't get that accent from Italy, babe.
No, I mean. Oh wait. Basically, we went to W Cosmetics and I got a lip balm from Coco Bell. So hopefully, like I tried it and it was clear on my skin, but I'm just kind of scared if it's gonna be attention. But
Hey, I want to do that. Yay! Are you done? Okay, Alina literally loves this one. She wants to get it. So, but Alina is the funniest person alive. You're welcome. Hey guys, we are purchasing the goods. Okay, so
we got our slimes. I got boba tea.
I got frappe and unicorn. If you know me, you know I love unicorn.
Yeah, that's okay.
5 p.m.
Whoa. I can't open this.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Hey! Alina!
But it's slime. It's not gonna do anything. Have you not made slime in your life? This girl is so uneducated about slime. Wait, thumbnail. Wait, this is not even like the main point of the video.
Yes!
I'm gonna put this back in.
I'm so excited!
It looks like two. What? I'm just like doing it for the content. You look like the crazy lit movie.
Man. I did it!
Oh my gosh, you did it. Put the sprinkles in first. Shut up, go. No.
But you should. Oh my god! But guys, this is gonna be the end of our vlog.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. If you're watching,
Watch this get only like 10, not even 10.
but you know what? We do it for the fun of our own sake. Guys, I miss Alina already.